Repotting plants, a beginner's guide to plant care. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to learn about a very interesting phrase, repotting plants. This is a common activity for those who love gardening or have houseplants. So, let's dig into what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Repotting plants refers to the process of transferring a plant from one pot to another. This is usually done for several reasons. The plant has outgrown its current pot. The roots might be crowded and need more space to grow. Improving soil health. Over time, soil can become compacted or depleted of nutrients. Repotting gives you a chance to replace the old soil with fresh, nutrient-rich soil. Health issues. Sometimes plants need to be repotted to remove diseased soil or to treat root problems. Knowing when to repot is crucial. Here are some signs that your plant might need repotting. Roots are growing through the drainage holes at the bottom of the pot. The plant is growing slower than usual, which can be a sign that it is root-bound. The soil dries out very quickly or water sits on the top and doesn't absorb well. Visible salt and mineral buildup on the plant or pot, which indicates that the soil has been depleted. Repotting might sound complicated, but it's actually quite simple. Here are the steps. 1. Choose the right pot. It should be slightly larger than the current one. 2. Prepare the new pot. Place a layer of fresh potting soil at the bottom. 3. Remove the plant from its current pot. Be gentle to avoid damaging the roots. 4. Trim any dead or overly long roots. This helps the plant to grow more effectively. 5. Place the plant in the new pot and fill with soil. Make sure the plant is at the same depth it was in the old pot. 6. Water the plant and place it in a suitable location. Ensure it gets the right amount of sunlight and air. Even experienced gardeners can make mistakes. Here are a few to avoid. Using a pot without drainage holes. This can lead to waterlogging and root rot. Damaging the roots. Be as gentle as possible when handling the plant. Overwatering after repotting. This can stress the plant. Water moderately. I hope this video has helped you understand what repotting plants means and how you can do it yourself. It's a great way to keep your plants healthy and growing. Remember, learning English can be as fun as gardening. Keep practicing, and you'll grow your language skills just like your plants. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.